bane ekyo kyoto kyomulaba ekyoto ekiganda. That is a local charcoal stove. So you can see they are cooking. I'm actually going to take you and see each and everything in the village. Those are pig plates. For the Muslims, I'm sorry. Yes, but these are pigs. These are, I think, pines, as you see them. So let's go. These are coffee plantations, emwanyi. So I'm going to take you. Oh, I've also seen another pig. These piglets are so very big. God, I've never seen such piglets. See how big they are. There is also that big one. I think it's so even heavy for itself. You see. I think that one can even eat you. Those are the piglets, but they are very big and healthy. For those people who like this rearing method of piglets, that is very big. I actually don't know how she feeds them to that extent. Maybe one day, one time, I'll actually interview her so that you get a chance to see how she manages to keep those pigs very healthy. Oh, look at it, Godfather. It's very big, very huge. I think it's very big. I don't know actually how she can sell it. I don't know its cost. So there, let me take you to the other place also. That is another one there. But actually, I fear them. That is a pig also. They are very big. Those are the little piglets as you see them. And then I'm going to take you to their mom. That is the mom. For those people who like pig rearing, I think you see. Oh God, Jesus Christ, Father. The one there. For the Muslims, I'm actually very sorry, but I needed to show this kind of rearing here. That is it. That is the mother. There is a black one. See how big that one is. See how big it is, Lord Jesus Christ. Even though I don't know how actually she sells them, but they are very healthy. I actually don't eat them, but I wanted to show people that these piglets are very huge. That one is very big. You see actually how big it is. God Jesus Christ. See. Okulunda embizi. These are so healthy. Okulunda embizi. For the Muslims, I'm actually sorry. I also don't eat pork. But actually, I love seeing someone who does such things. These piglets are very, very big. Actually, this is the mother. You can come and then they see. This is the mother of those little young piglets. Very huge, very healthy. And actually, I've liked the way how they are healthy. Actually, I wanted to ask, like, how does he even do that? Do you see? Very healthy piglets. Actually fear them because piglets can even eat you up, but how big that one is? Very big. Actually we fear them. That's why you see us running, but they are very huge. So guys, here. Noza eriye umulidde eri mirembe gyayo. Yiyo mugiraba. Eina oh. That is it. So don't mind about the attire down because and then also we have this one here. Very huge. Like you see how huge it is. Banete munyuma mirimu mukole emirimu musobola kubanga mufuna mukwa bagamba embizi baziseera kambalekereze nga bagamba farm, create a farm, rear animals, and also plant crops, anything that you want. I love you. I've enjoyed the village life. I've actually shown you everything, and I would like to say I love you so much. Thank you, Clara Clary, as usual. Bye bye and ciao ciao.